sorry, Mom, if I was only normal.
Blue food isn't normal. Blue food is strange, and that's why it's my favorite. I never want to change. To make it boring, orange or green. Why be blah when there's aquamarine? Normal is a myth. Everyone has issues they're dealing with.
Mom, if you're weird, you're weak.
That's where you're wrong. The things that make you different are the very things that make you strong. So be strong. You'll see, you're destined for great things.
The only thing I seem destined for is detention. I can't focus. I suck at school. My AD gets the best of me. Dyslexia, not cool.
Just